photographers were telling me कि वो अपने बच्चों के साथ 2-3 बार गए because the kids
फिल्में बहुत कामयाब हो रही हैं और जितनी
I wish Jagran Film Festival all the best and a great success to them. Thank you.
Well, I hope we have a bang time tonight. Congratulations to my friend Shailesh, the entire Jagran team, the midday team. We're here to have some fun.
Okay, Ritik. हर कोई कह रहा है कि किक का रिकॉर्ड टूटेगी बैक बैक। हर कोई कह रहा है कि किक का रिकॉर्ड टूटेगी बैक बैक। It's going to be a big blockbuster for Bollywood. क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
क्या बोलूँ मैं? Let's hope so. Records are meant to be broken, so let's see.
ऋतिक जो एक शॉट है जब आप पानी में से निकल रहे हैं उस शॉट ने जो इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में जो एक्शन का डेफिनेशन है वो चेंज कर दिया जब आप कर रहे थे।
चेंज कर दिया?
उसके बारे में बताइए।
अब क्या हो गया?
तो इतना अच्छा आपने किया तो उसके बारे में बताइए। तो वो जब आप कर रहे थे क्या चल रहा था?
नथिंग यार, मुझे कहा गया कि करो, कर दिया मैंने। इजी था बहुत। सिंपल।
First, I think it's a great way of celebrating movies, and I think Jagran has always been a great source of not just entertainment but news, which you can depend on. And the whole Jagran group, my big congratulations. I treated bad. I think it's great that it took an actor to stand up for the rest of us. I think it's something that we've been जूझते हैं ना चीज़ों से, हम उससे जूझते आए हैं इतने सालों से, and I'm really glad that she took a stand, and I hope that something we've always talked about, the media should be responsible because we're also people, and be responsible about us as women, as people, and it's great that maybe this will bring a little light to what we deal with. Yeah, it's a new product. Like I just got it a week ago, but it's mine. Meri kom na, so my mother got it for me. I like jewelry. Well, I'm really happy. I came in here and all the photographers were telling me कि वो अपने बच्चों के साथ 2-3 बार गए because the kids wanted to see it. So it makes me really happy. A lot of schools are taking their students to go watch the film. Film ने 50 crores का पड़ाव क्रॉस कर लिया है week 1 में, मतलब in about a couple of 8-10 days. So it's very successful as a female film, and I'm very happy about it. I'll finish it in some, no worries. मैं कुछ नहीं एक्सपेक्ट करती, स्पेशली अवार्ड से। अगर मिल गया तो बहुत इंकरेजिंग फील करूँगी, नहीं मिला तो ऑडियंस का प्यार भी काफ़ी है। Ami is going to kill me because I have no idea. I'll just check the tag and tell you.
Thank you.
The Jagran Film Festival. Well, I think बहुत ही अच्छा initiative है. We need more and more festivals to celebrate our, industry and to celebrate cinema. So I just want to wish Jagran, all the very best. And I think they need to carry it out and make it bigger and every year. Sorry? I really don't think it's such a big deal. You can't always have everything working perfectly. Like even today, the dress I am wearing, I was very worried about a malfunction. But anyway, these things happen. I think these are awkwardness, awkward moments, embarrassing moments, and if you just make a big deal of it, then it just becomes that. So,
it's a very good festival. It's a very good film festival. You get to see films here. What else? This is Gucci.
Okay, and would you like to say something about this dress? Please explain.
This is a dress, and these are boots, and this is me today with straight hair.
Kangna, आजकल
काफ़ी विमेन सेंट्रिक फिल्में आई हैं जैसे कि मैरी कॉम, तो आपका क्या कहना है इस बारे में?
आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा है, फिल्में बहुत कामयाब हो रही हैं और जितनी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंसेस हैं, मैंने फाइंडिंग फैनी देखी और बहुत ही प्रभावित कर देने वाली परफॉर्मेंसेस हैं दीपिका और जितने भी एक्टर्स हैं। और मैंने सुना है मैरी कॉम में भी प्रियंका जी ने एकदम ज़बरदस्त परफॉर्मेंस दी है, तो बहुत ही गर्व की बात है हमारे लिए, हमारे देश के लिए कि इतनी अच्छी फिल्में, बेहतरीन फिल्में अच्छा कर रही हैं, तो इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग।
Deepika has tweeted about Mr. Amit posted one of the websites. What a wonderful man. She came out very strongly and very, I'm sure everyone is proud of it. What do you have to react to those comments?
Yeah, it's a shame कि इस तरह की स्टूपिड पिक्चर्स जो हैं एक तो ली जाती हैं और ऊपर से उनको इतना ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया जाता है उन पे, एक इतने बड़े आर्टिस्ट की डिग्निटी को जो है वो सरेआम अटैक किया जाता है। आई होप उनको अपॉलॉजी की जाए और आई होप कुछ जो लोग हैं इररिस्पॉन्सिबल वो पूरे देश को इस चीज़ को लेके शर्मिंदा ना करें, क्योंकि ये एक इंसान की हार नहीं है, एक जर्नलिस्ट की या एक पेपर की हार नहीं है, ये पूरी कंट्री की, एजुकेशन सिस्टम की, हमारी अपब्रिंगिंग की, हमारी सोसाइटी की, ये सब की हार है। और एक दीपिका का स्टैंड होना अपने लिए इज शी इज नॉट स्टैंडिंग अप फॉर हरसेल्फ, शी इज स्टैंडिंग अप फॉर एवरी आर्टिस्ट, एवरी वुमन, एवरी मैन इन दिस कंट्री, सो वी आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हर।
I'm really happy to be at Jagran Film Festival. I hear there's a lot of different varieties of films here from different parts of the world. Any film festival really shows the local culture, and I hope that this one also has an ability to show what we as filmmakers in India can do, especially with actresses like our beautiful Ellie Avram. I hope to see her in this festival soon. How do you feel about that, Ellie?
I feel great about that, and inshallah that will happen also. And I mean, I also feel great to be here today, and I feel this is a great thing. So yeah, I mean, as Andy also said, we have such a great directors here in India, so it's amazing, you know, to have something like this.
New season of Big Boss is about to begin. What tips would you like to give the contestants this time?
What tips would you give?
The tips I would give are really simple. Be yourself, be true to yourself, never ever lie, and if you are true to what your heart is saying, then मुझे लगता है कि आप कुछ भी जीत सकते हैं। अगर आप लोगों के दिल जीत सकते हैं जिस तरीके से एली ने किया है या फिर शायद मैंने भी किया है, तो शायद आप जीत सकते हैं, और दिलों को जीत के कोई जीतता है, आई थिंक।
जी वो तो सही बात है, और मुझे ऐसा भी लगता है कि जस्ट बी योर सेल्फ, डोंट ट्राई टू act if you want to, I mean आपकी मर्जी है, but yeah I would say that just be yourself and most of all सिर्फ enjoy करो और खुश रहो।
एक्चुअली यू नो व्हाट, एक और बात आई है मन में, एंड वो है कि खूब सारी लड़ाई करना, TRPs देना और सबको मनोरंजन ऐसे करना और बाद में आके सॉरी बोल देना, क्योंकि बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो ऐसे करते हैं और जीत जाते हैं, राइट?
हाँ वो तो है एंडी।
सलमान पायलट इस फॉर्म में कैसे लगते हैं?
वेरी नाइस।
मैं अभी उनको पास में नज़र आया, मैंने उनको देखा है, ऑब्वियसली आई जस्ट होस्टेड बिग बॉस का प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस और वो बहुत अच्छे लग रहे थे। मुझे लगता है इस सीज़न में भी वो बहुत कुछ करने वाले हैं और बहुत अच्छे तरीके से। पर मोर अबाउट द फेस्टिवल, आई थिंक यहाँ पे अगर हम सलमान खान को भी कुछ जागरण फेस्टिवल में नज़र आएँ तो वो भी अच्छा होगा, राइट? अलग अलग अवतारों में। हाँ, ये ना बहुत सारे कहते हैं कि आप क्लब में सोलो स्टैग्स नहीं अलाउड, तो यहाँ पर स्टैग है, यहाँ पे तो 2 स्टैग्स है, मुझे प्लीज अंदर जाने दें।
Fantastic. I'm just here to support the joint venture of the Jagran Festival and Midday, and yeah, thank you very much. I have nothing more to say. Yes, ma'am. I'm shooting one more, a new one. It's coming up very soon. I'm doing an action tribute soon. It's more of it's different form of dancing, and it's more hip hop break dancing this time. That was pure Michael Jackson, and I hope you guys liked it. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ma'am, these guys are big stars. मैं तो कुछ नहीं उनके सामने, तो why would they work with me? पर कोशिश करूँगा। I'm a big जी, मैं ऋतिक सर का बड़ा fan हूँ। He is a big inspiration. He is the reason I do what I do sometimes. And जी, I'm just in awe of him. I'm starstruck when it comes to Hrithik sir, and I'm trying to be like him someday. I hope. We'll see. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. मैं अच्छी लग रही हूँ तो एंड स्पेशल तैयारी तो नहीं. आई मीन मिड डे का इवेंट है और मिड डे एक ऐसा पेपर है जो हम कई सालों से पढ़ते हैं. इट्स अ न्यूज़ पेपर दैट कीप्स अस कनेक्टेड टू एवरीथिंग इंक्लूडिंग एंटरटेनमेंट. इट प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इन आवर लाइफ. सो आई थिंक तैयारी बनती है. Well, अभी तो फिलहाल you know, I am reading scripts. I am waiting for the right project. I don't want to do anything just for the heck of it. I know मैं स्क्रीन पे काफ़ी टाइम से नहीं आई हूँ, बट उस चक्कर में मैं कुछ ऐसे नहीं करना चाहती जो मैं बाद में रिग्रेट करूँ. So I'm taking my time. See, at the end of the day, हम लोग भी इंसान ही हैं. वार्डरोब मैल फंक्शन किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है. एंड मैं ये बिलीव करती हूँ कि हमें ह्यूमंस की तरह ही ट्रीट करें जब हमारे साथ ये हो तो. एंड नॉट ब्लो इट आउट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शन, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर वुमेन एंड वी डिजर्व टू बी ट्रीटेड विद रिस्पेक्ट. Thank you.
So I think this is the 5th year, right? This is the 5th year of the Jagran Film Festival, and all I can say is that it just gets better and better every year, and I'm really looking forward to the whole thing this year, and I'm sure it's going to be a lot of fun. Neha Agarwal, I'm wearing Neha Agarwal. Well, what I like about it is that you know, it has this sort of a tribal thing going on, and that has been on my wish list, and this is exactly what Neha gave me. So I just chose it, and I was like, this is perfect for me.
When do we get active on Twitter? And people have come across.
Oh yeah, I just did. I think that's a very good stand that she's taken, and I think not just myself, I'm sure every girl, including you girls, will support her, and I'm very happy that she's taken a stand for this, because I also see a lot of these you know, things about myself on Twitter, and you know, I never really did anything about it, but I'm really proud of her, and I think she's done a great thing.
Okay, Vidya, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस फेस्टिवल को लेकर?
I want to congratulate Jagran and Midday for the Jagran Film Festival, क्योंकि हम लोग तो देख लेते हैं फिल्में जो बनती है देश में, दुनिया भर में, पर for I think lay audiences, for cinema lovers, it's a fantastic thing to do. You're making films from all over the world accessible to them, और ये 17 cities में चलता है. It's a touring festival, so great going, good luck.
I have to ask you, today there was a publication who posted a picture about Deepika probably, and there was some wardrobe malfunction picture. Deepika very strongly reacted on Twitter, saying, you know, it's not a big issue and everything. What do you as a woman or probably as an artist have to say about it?
Well, I'm not on Twitter, so I don't exactly know what has happened. So I don't know what to say. But if she feels offended about something, I'm very glad she voiced it. And she got offended, you said.
Yes.
Yeah. So she has every right to feel offended.
Jagran is a great group, and Midday has been very special to all Mumbaikars for many years. And कुछ दोस्त भी हैं, शैलेश गुप्ता अच्छे दोस्त हैं, ये गौरव खड़ा है, ये एक अच्छा दोस्त है, शुभा. So they're all good people, and they're doing such a fantastic job with the जागरण फिल्म फेस्टिवल. तो मुझे लगा कि आना चाहिए और दोस्तों को और बढ़ावा देना चाहिए. और आप लोग बताइए, आप सब मीडिया वाले, और ये मीडिया वालों की पार्टी इन लोग खिला विला रहे हैं कि नहीं ठीक से? हाँ, टेकिंग गुड केयर ऑफ यू. नो गुड. गौरव, मेकिंग श्योर एवरीबॉडी गेट्स समथिंग टू ईट. कुछ खाने पीने को मिला आप लोगों को नहीं मिला? गौरव, hey Ansal, congratulations man. Having the chance to meet you. Very congrats. So proud of you.
एक बार फिर से यशराज फिल्म कर रहे हैं आप.
जी.
तो
मुझे सब कह देती. Yeah, I'm having a good time. Bank Chor is on the cards. Very fun script. Yash Raj doesn't get better than that, but it does. Because I'm working with a really good friend of mine, my brother Ritesh. So I think we're going to have a lot of masti on the set, and yeah, these muchas are for that. So it's a fun role. I'm excited about it.
What do you have to probably say about it? These things keep happening to especially female artists, and some are deeming them also.
Alright, so yeah, since she's asked, okay, yeah, I think it's pretty uncool to look at women as objects, objectifying them. It's really uncool, and I don't think any woman needs to be embarrassed or apologize for something that's happened that's an accident. If a guy has a wardrobe malfunction, it would be as embarrassing. And I think it's really uncool of people out there on Twitter who are doing what they're doing. So I think just leave her alone. She's a fantastic actress. She's having a great year. Let's celebrate that instead.
नमस्कार, प्रणाम, सलाम सबको। बड़ो क्या पूछ रही हैं? जी जी, पहले तो मुबारकबाद, कंग्रेचुलेशंस, और बाकी जो हो रहा है अच्छा ही हो रहा है, गुड। अगर फेस्टिवल है तो मजा है, धमाल है, सबका लंगर चालू है।
I think it's very exciting that cinema is traveling to places that it ordinarily wouldn't. So it's a great initiative. I mean, cinema is such an important force in people's lives, and if it goes to little towns and places that they would never see, say a Battleship Potemkin or the Trial of Joan of Arc, I think it's a huge step to making cinema more accessible and for people to watch a different kind of cinema than they do at the theatres every week.
What was your first reaction when you saw Amir's PK poster, the first poster?
I really like the poster. जी. हाँ, टाइम तो लगा रही हूँ मैं। एक्चुअली काफ़ी घर में मसरूफ़ हूँ। बेबी अभी 3 साल का होने वाला है कुछ ही महीनों में, तो बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है घर में, चहल पहल घर का, इतनी बेबी। यस। Well, I'm still hoping that the film industry gets together and gives more money for MAMI, the Mumbai Film Festival. I think it's the only festival in India that brings current cinema that's being seen all over the world, and often is the current winner at all these big film festivals. So the attempt is to bring really quality cinema to Mumbai, and we've had some good response from the industry this time, and I'm hoping it just increases because we can still do with more funding. So I'm hoping something more happens.
You have like the hairstyle.
Thank you.
This is something new, like Amrisha aap unique hi karte ho, so this is like
this is new. This is my hairstylist Nanao and I decided to take the plunge, and I'm really short on one side, so yeah, I'm loving it. Thank you.
I think it's a mix of feeling good, being back on a nice health regime, working out, and overall, as you know, I just finished filming for my first Bengali film, so I'm very excited. It's a good time. I think this evening, first of all, is a very special evening. The very best to Midday and to the entire Dainik Jagran group. Initiatives like this celebrate cinema, and it's fantastic to be a part of it. So thank you very much for having me. Thank you.
जी, आज की शाम के लिए यही कहेंगे, मिड डे एक ऐसा न्यूज़पेपर है जो हमारी लाइफ लाइन के बराबर है, इतने सालों से उसको पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, और डे इज़ इनकम्प्लीट विदाउट मिड डे, एंड विश दे मेनी मोर सक्सेसफुल ईयर्स, एंड दे आर डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब, एंड आई एम श्योर दे विल कंटिन्यू टू डू सो.